Hi everyone, Kat here. Today I'm gonna be air frying some Brussels sprouts. But first, they need to be boiled. So clean and wash them good and then cut them in halves. And then boil it for about 3 minutes. Okay guys, so after you boiled it for 3 minutes, you want to season it with some paprika, garlic powder, chicken bouillon seasoning, shredded Parmesan cheese, black pepper, olive oil, and this. You need this balsamic glazed vinegar. Any kind will do. I'm using this brand. Okay, so some balsamic glazed vinegar. And then you want to mix it up real good. Add as little or as much of the seasoning that you like. It's all up to you, okay guys? And add some more of the cheese. And you can taste right now too, the seasoning. And more of the glaze. So this is all eyeballing. Okay. And then once it's thoroughly mixed, we're gonna air fry it. Okay? Okay, so once you thoroughly mix it, you wanna go ahead and put it in your air fryer and lay them out like this. All the facing up like this, okay? Cut. And I'm gonna sprinkle some more Parmesan on top so that it fries it to this nice cheesy. Okay, and for more color, add some more paprika. Alright, and then we stick it in our fryer. For 400 degrees for about 20 minutes. Alright. And voila guys, air fried Brussels sprouts. Took about 12 minutes to get it this golden brown in the air fryer. I like to eat it by itself. Delicious. That balsamic glaze is perfect with the cheese. You can even sprinkle some more cheese on it right now if you like, but there it is, air fried Brussels sprouts. Delicious. Alright guys, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye.